Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett announced that Virgin Atlantic has confirmed its London Heathrow to Montego Bay route from 4 weekly nights to a daily service beginning on January 5, 2026. Minister Bartlett says, quote, "This is a win for Jamaica and for the thousands of Jamaicans and visitors who rely on this vital air bridge. Increased airlift is key to our tourism growth strategy and economic resilience. Virgin Atlantic's decision to offer daily service is a testament to our island's enduring appeal and our continued efforts to build strong airline partnerships." In a recently held VM Group YouTube webinar, Dennis Gray, Chief Risk Officer at the VM Group, is urging domestic businesses to stay alert and take decisive action in response to the United States imposition of a 10% tariff on Jamaican exports. Gray states that the key industries such as manufacturing, mining, agriculture, and distribution are most likely to be most affected by the new tariff. That's significant, he noted, given that approximately 60% of Jamaicans' exports are sent to the US. This level of dependence presents a real concentration risk. At the same time, Gray also warns of potential pressure on remittance inflows if U.S. immigration policies tighten, given that 67% of Jamaica's remittances originate from the United States. He also encouraged Jamaica to use this moment to broaden its global partnerships and deepen investments in sectors like business process outsourcing, digital services, and other knowledge-based industries. For the trading period ending April 25, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited, with 2,742,236 units traded, represented 20.44% of market sales volume. Billboard advertising and real estate holding firm Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited, with 2,284,507 units traded, representing 17.03% of market sales volume. Online educational company One-on-One Educational Services Limited, with 1,019,892 units traded, representing 7.6% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On April 25, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $72.47 million purchased and US $64.59 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.53 per dollar, selling the US at $159.13 and buying the US at $157.60. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $3.88 per transaction, with selling at $116.93 and buying at $113.05. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.46 in profit, with selling at $210.92 and buying at $208.46. For our credit report tip of the day, your credit score is more powerful than you realize. It's more than just a number. It's a tool that can either open doors or quietly close them. When used wisely, your credit score can raise your standard of living, expand your options, and give you freedom to say yes to better opportunities. Success is not just about working harder. It's about working smarter with the financial resources available to you. Some of the ways to raise your standard of living with your credit score include locking in lower interest rates on personal loans, accessing premium credit cards with travel, cashback and luxury perks. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.